This is the trade review for Friday, the 12th of July 2024. Today on AMD, we had a sell off. We had a slightly lower value and lower Camarilla pivots, and we were opening right in the middle in the gray area. And I was thinking about a traverse to the top side since we were opening low in the range despite the short bias. Since the daily looked bearish, but not that bearish, I thought that maybe we will recover some of the move from yesterday. And we had stacks all the way up to 185, so I was a bit bullish. But ended up selling down, and I was a bit disappointed that I didn't take this breakdown since we rejected value at previous day close. So it was looking like it will have a nice run down to S3. But we stalled, attempted to continue down and failed, formed this nice hammer, which had the validity of the stacks to the top side, and I failed to pull the trigger at 180. And of course we run to the top side, and here these hammers are not valid because the level 2 is so strong with a very solid stack at 184 and then 185, so continuation was gonna happen. But again, because we had rejection previously and value, I thought it would be a good entry, pull the trigger short, but I didn't have the support of the level 2 and the level 3 to have moved down, so I got stopped out. Again, I continued to be a little bit more stubborn, saw this nice rejection of the R2 level, hammer again, but ignore the fact that we still had stacks to the top side and got stopped out again. Luckily, I made a smart decision to change to simulation right after that, since we had a really nice hammer here with BPOC and got stopped out on that entry as well. And as you can see, I think it's gonna continue to 185 and then reverse maybe, but as of right now, these reversals were not good. So it's a disappointing Friday. At least I took trades, which is improvement, but I didn't respect my rules. I think my cognitive state, I was able to recognize a move to the top side, but I failed to pull the trigger on the way up. Central market, respected stop losses, respected max loss, did not hit. Go to the 0.2 and minus 2.1. Yeah, not a good way to end the Friday. These were attempts at traverses, but they were not executed for a very bullish level 2 AA. No. And 1-1. The reason is very bullish level 2. Same here. Might as well copy it. And I need to be more patient, but also pull the trigger when I see the opportunity. It's disappointing that I had the plan to go long. It was a nice place to go long, just above the pre-market low and a double bottom, but I didn't pull the trigger, and that is very important to do. This last trade was on simulation again, so that was very lucky on my part because it did look like a nice reversal with BPOC, but she's too strong, and I think it's gonna attempt to grab 185, and then at 185 we don't have we have the R3 levels, so it might reverse nicely and then even crash down to below yesterday's close. But yeah, that's it for my trade review. Not very smart trading. I need to pull the trigger on early when I see the signal with support from the level 2. This was idiotic. Lost. Didn't control my fear, my desperation, my lack of patience. So I need to work on that.